you guys. So right now I'm currently on my way to work. Every now and then in the morning, I like to come up here and just look at the highways and just reflect life, knowing that one day, really soon, near future, that I don't have to be a part of the rat race. I wouldn't have to be a part of being stuck in the matrix and not living the freedom that I want to live. But let me get ready to go downstairs really quick, get ready to get on my bus and head to work. You did. All right, so I just got off the bus. I'm extra early on my way to work. So let's get there. I'm gonna just cut the light on really quick so you guys can actually see me. So the front door was just locked, but the sliding glass window was open. And like I did before in the previous video, I went on ahead and jumped over the railing, put my book bag here. I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven, grab some coffee really quick. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and check out the, what it was, a GBP USD trade that I placed last night. I'm gonna check that out. So before I went to bed last night, I placed 2 alerts. I put my alert at where I would have put my stop loss, actually at a low on GU, and I also put an alert where I want price to go at. Like if price would have actually passed this point, I would have known, okay, damn, my trade actually went in profit quite a bit. So the trade that I put near the bottom, I put, okay, GU trade dead. And the one I put before I think I put like GU in profit or something like that. I have not looked at the market yet. However, I did see the alerts. I don't have TradingView on my phone. I don't have MT4 on my phone. I have it all on my laptop. So we are back inside. I think I'm gonna film this time in the bathroom because I don't want this light on and people be able to see through the windows. So we're gonna film it. Bathroom. So this morning I got some pizza. I love cheese pizza from 7-Eleven for breakfast. I like it best once it's been sitting for a moment. I know it sounds weird, but if you let pizza sit for a moment and the cheese get crusty, I like that. I don't like that stringy shit. I choke off of it. It's weird. Actually, it's a lot better with the light off. I feel good. Hi, Stretch. Let me bring the brightness up a little bit. All right, I just connected my internet. Go to TradingView, Super Chart. I traded GU. Bro, this is so beautiful, bro, how this played out. Look at this shit. This was so beautiful, bro. All right, I'm gonna explain to you guys really quick the reason I entered this trade right here. Okay, as we all know, London and New York are the most most volatile sessions. Those are the sessions that you actually want to be inside of trades because it's gonna push most of the time. So here, I seen that price had if I even stretch this out a little bit more left, you could say it as a support, price bounced as a resistance, came back, retested as a support, then acted as a support, came through. It was on some bullshit here, but then here it acted as resistance. Sorry. All right, resistance, support, and I expect it to act as a support again. I'm gonna show you guys really quick the photo. Originally, this is what I seen. This was yesterday. This was Tuesday at 7:55 p.m. This is how I marked up on a 3-hour. This is how it was on 3-hour. And by just looking at this alone, I seen this, okay, bam, we got some rejections down here. We had it up here, now we got it down here. When price is above this area, I wanna buy up. So I also placed I put a buy limit up here, and I put timers so that when my alerts would have went off, this is what my alert said. I put an alert at the bottom down here, as you can see. I put this alert, and I said the GU trade is like no trade on GU, because obviously if I woke up and seen that, okay, that shit was dead. However, at 2 o'clock, volume came into the market. Price was already, what was it? This was at 27,150, so around 27,150. All right, the alarm went off up here, 27,150, and that was like GU looking good so far. So when I woke up and I seen GU looking good so far, I'm like, okay, damn, that's good. Price didn't hit my stop loss. If that trade, that trade entered, price didn't hit my stop loss, so I'm floating profit, or I didn't take profit. So when I woke up this morning, apparently price have already hit take profit. All right, so you guys can see right here, price hit. When I woke up this morning, take profit was smacked. It was my take profit was $400. My risk reward was a 4-to-1, so I was risking 100 for $400. I've already said that I'm not gonna be trading today. I placed this trade last night. Last night was Tuesday. I'm not trading on Wednesday. So I just basically want to give you guys a breakdown. That's all this today's video is gonna be about. It's gonna be just this breakdown that I just showed you guys. And I'm gonna be seeing you guys tomorrow. And also coming into Thursday, I'm gonna make sure my risk reward is on point, one trade. Cause there's some things that I realized in like the first part of this week and Friday, some things I was struggling with that I gotta make sure I don't do, because bro, it can really hinder me. So right now, I'm gonna open up a metric so you guys can see what my metrics sitting at right now on the Rocket 21 challenge. All right, my equity is 10,373, 98 cents. My profit, I'm almost halfway there. Daily loss is 0, max drawdown 0. My risk, my win rate is pretty low, but that don't really matter as long as your risk reward is on point. So my annual projectile is 1,869. You guys can see my losses. I took a big loss right here, 150. But then these 2 wins, basically guy came and knocked these out and did more. And I took these losses right here, and then these 2 wins right here basically did knock this out. And then I got some more on top of that. So I'm just grateful that I'm here right now. Just like I said before, this challenge is the longest challenge I've ever actually been alive in. Let me cut the light on really quick so you guys can see me. Yeah, I'm here, you did. But yeah, this challenge, I've never been in a challenge this long. I'm not trading today, today's Wednesday. I'm gonna eat my pizza and drink my coffee. But I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. And you all gonna tell me this tomorrow, bro. Good morning. Here's the train. This morning I placed my GPUSD buy that I seen. You can get on the train and see the results of where this trade is at right now. Okay, we're running pretty good. We're up like almost a 101. We're up 0.5%. I've also shared this trade on Instagram. Yeah, right now, floating bare minimum. So I got into my trade a little bit late. It triggered around like 5:02 something. Bro, I supposed to have gotten up around like 4:40 this morning, and I got up like almost 6 o'clock. So if I would have like woke up when I was supposed to wake up, I would have entered that trade. I would have put like a buy stop right above the previous down candle. So once the candlestick would have went above the previous candle, I would have entered the trade. But I got in late by like 7.5 pips. It wasn't much, but like 7.5 pips below where I need to, above where I need to enter at. So it is what it is. I'm gonna just get back to the charts when I get to work. I'm gonna see what's going on with it. Wednesday, today's Thursday, it's 17th. This AC is always high, boy. All right, today is Thursday, the 17th August. As you guys already know, I placed a intraday trade on GU. I shared the setup on my Instagram story last night. I'm gonna get ready to grab my laptop, put it on the counter, and you guys already know I'm gonna go for it. Let me lock the door. What I did, I locked it already. Let's grab my laptop really quick and see what's going on in the market. We have unemployment claims for USD at 8:30, so I'm constantly aware of that. Let's just hope the trade possibly hit my take profit before then, because honestly, I don't really want to be in a trade when news come out. Too much volatility, too much bullshit, too much. Good morning, baby. I got my hotspot connected. As you can see, this is when I was last online. This is where price was here on GU, and this is where it was as Wait, up there it is. It just updated. So we got some bullish momentum. It's looking good. Okay. I'm just gonna exit this and come back because it's frozen. All right, exit. Come back. Get back behind. But anyways, I can see we got some bullish momentum. Very strong bullish candles. We got a bullish engulfing in this area. I'm gonna get ready to break down to you guys exactly what I seen when I entered this trade. Okay, we're up 1%. One thing I can say, I don't want this trade to become a loser. So, as you guys know, my stop loss here, my stop loss was $90. I gotta move that break even, bro. I gotta float bare minimum. All right, so now it's considered basically break even. That's $4. My take profit is up here. I'm expecting the price to come up here and get these highs up in this zone right here. So let me get ready to explain to you guys everything that I see in my thought process. So originally, on a daily, right, I have this strong area of resistance right here at that support. By just looking at this, I'm expecting that price gonna get ready to shoot up anyways. So this is on a daily what I see. On a 4 hour, things get a little bit interesting. I seen that price was acting in this area. Price treated this area like support. Then it came up resistance, support. Now price is above it again, act as a support. I anticipate that price is gonna shoot up. On a 2 hour, there's structure, the market structure I'm seeing. Price creating low, high, low. Then it came up and changed some character. We're gonna pull back to this area, support, resistance. All right, and price shot up, created a breaker structure. So I'm anticipating pull back to a particular area before the break structure again to the upside. This is a resistance up here. So also if I was to go out, price acted as a strong resistance in this area. So this is my target area. Like I'm expecting that price get attracted to this area. Also, another thing that I realized is that right here, there was some imbalance. I expect that price gonna come in, feeling that imbalance, and then shoot up, and it did. Also, there was a 2 hour demand zone, and that was basically a confirmation to have to be able to go to the upside. So I set my alert right here, and my alert went off at, let me just go ahead and click it. My alert was supposed to have gone off, let me see, right here. My alert was supposed to go off there. It did, but I was asleep. That was my alert. It said possible entry for GU. It went off at 5:10 a.m. I was supposed to get up at around like 4:40, but I overslept a little bit, so I was not able to catch that trade when I wanted to. I wanted to enter this trade at the break of this candle. I wanted to enter it basically right here. So I'm basically I'm 7 pips late, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna let this trade run out. I'm expecting that price come up here and sweep this liquidity, and price come up here and tap into this zone right here that I have. So right now, currently we're floating $96. We got news that's coming out at 8:30, which is unemployment claims, and I don't really want to be in this trade at all when that news come out. So until then, I'm gonna just tap back maybe around like 8:20 to see what happens, what's going on with this trade, and then, you know, that'll be it. I'm gonna probably just close out the position. So I'm gonna see you guys shortly. This GU trade gonna be the only trade I'm placing today. I just gotta make sure I stick to my discipline. Hey, shout out to everyone that commented on my previous video. Man, I wanna tell you guys, thank you so much. I do read every comment. I do reply back to every single comment. I just appreciate how mindful you guys are for not bashing me. However, to understand, a lot of us have went through this and it ain't easy. So me trading and showing you guys my journey, it basically show how real I am. My wifey right here. How are you, my dear? Oh, my big girl. I know. Yeah, I'm at work. I'm checking out. I'm just looking at these charts. Just did my breakdown on what I entered this trade and stuff like that. I'm done trading today anyway. I'm still floating. I'm floating this trade that I took. So it is what it is. Yeah, it's crazy. I got a sniper entry. I missed it by 7 pips, but I got in anyway. All right, gotta find something to do, just to do something, especially around my manager. He's cool as fuck though. But still, I don't wanna make it seem like I'm just coming here and doing nothing at all. All bare minimum, to be honest. It's all bare minimum, bro. All bare minimum. All right, it's after 8:20. You gotta get back into the apartment. There's a lot of movement out there. I ain't gonna lie. But let me grab this laptop really quick because the news getting ready to come out, and I'm not trying to get gritzed. And then after that, I'm gonna keep my phone in charge because my phone, I don't be charging as much at night. There's my fucking mouse. That's my mouse. I know Trey by now did not hit take profit. I'm not gonna assume that. Let me see what this was at. News in 5 minutes. All right, so now let's connect my hotspot. All right, by just only looking at this, I can only assume that price probably had to have some type of pullback. We're just waiting, it's connected. I real did be walking, bro. All right, so we at 1%. That's on the 1 hour. This one I do like on the 1 hour. Back over here. All right, by just looking at it, this is what I'm gonna do. And I wanna play everything off smart. So if I was to scalp, right, I seen this as if it was a 5-minute demand. If I was to scalp, I would've seen this as a 5-minute demand. I would've bought the break of this candle, my stop loss would've been here. Now saying that, I'm gonna move my stop loss where I would've put it if I was to scalp. So my profit is 77 bucks, okay? That way, if news come out and it goes up, I can possibly hit my take profit. That way, if news come out and if it decides to go up, I can possibly hit my my take profit. Or I can just say fuck it and just close my position. So if you guys were in my position right now, what would you do? Would you have actually closed the position, or would you have done what I just did? Go to trading view. It's actually at my breaker structure too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this shit. I don't wanna fuck with the news. I don't wanna play no games. I'm straight. At the end of the day, I'm up 1%. I don't really want to play games. But what would you guys do? Close it or just did what I just did? Like, what would you have done? Just put in the comment section. I just want to see you guys' perception if you guys were in my shoes right now. I'm closing. Done. Fuck that shit. I've learned about being greedy. I'm not being greedy no more. I don't give a f. I don't want to have regret. At the end of the day, I'm up 1%. I'm 1% closer to passing this phase 1. I'm done today. I don't give a fuck about trading today. I just want to see the reaction, but at the same time, they're gonna be like, damn, I should stay in the trade. No, I'm fucking done. That shit. I messed up too many times in the past. I'm not messing up now. I'm just curious to see what's gonna happen when this news drop. I realize that I've made so many mistakes throughout my whole process. Once again, on Saturday, August the 12th, I entered my 3rd year when it comes to trading. And I just entered this year like, okay, this is 3rd year, 3rd year, 3rd year, No, that shit. Bro, I entered this shit with like, bro, this year's mine. I'm gonna take what's mine. I gotta make sure I stay disciplined, stick to my trading plan. And another thing I like to do that I realize it helps me and it works for me is make sure I document everything and put it on YouTube, because not just show my business, however, you guys hold me accountable. I gotta tell you guys thank you, and I really appreciate it. Honestly, my growth would have happened if it wasn't for you guys being able to give me constructive criticism, just DMing me, send me certain quotes, like everything. I want to tell you guys I really appreciate everything. I gotta give a shout out to Marty VFS because, bro, honestly, I wouldn't be where I'm at if it wasn't for you, bro. I want to say thank you to you and my fiance, bro. Thank both of you guys, man. But look, this is just the beginning. I have a whole fucking long way to go. I haven't passed this challenge yet, but I can tell you, I'm doing way better than I've done any of my other challenges. Even better than the Secure the Bag challenge. I was up 8.9%. This challenge is a lot better because, bro, I haven't hit any of these trades with one hit wonder. However, I've been sticking to my trading plan. I can't say that. I've been sticking to my risk reward. My winners are greater than my losses for the most part. Told myself coming to Thursday, which is today, no more bullshit. One trade, finished. Friday, tomorrow, one trade, finished. It's either gonna be a scalp, it may be an overnight trade I may place, and it may be a morning intraday trade. So we will see, bro. We will see. But in saying that, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. All right, so I'm on a train. I'm on my way to work. I didn't get no alert on gold at all, which means probably consolidated going south. Yeah, completely going sideways. Let's see what my profit's at. I should still be around like break even or something. Cause this shit's not moving at all. Bro, dollar. Dollar. I just hope to see me get some type of push down today, man. Price is definitely reacting off this supply right here. Yeah, price is definitely reacting up to supply, man. Let's just hope that we get some type of momentum or a volume to push the market down. That'd be good for us. So yeah, I'm gonna tap back in later when I get to work. We'll see what's going on with this trade. I just hit the McDonald's real quick. I know you guys probably can't see me. I'm just making this really quick. Just hit the McDonald's really quick to grab me a bite to eat. I'm getting ready to get on the bus, go to work, whatever. I'm gonna see you guys when I get to work. All right, you guys. We are back at my job site. It is Friday. It's the last trading day of the week. I have some bad news. I received a notification saying that, all right, mind you, I did say that I put 2 notifications on gold. I put a gold for like half, it was like 1 to 1. It would let me know when I'm at least 1 to 1. And I had another one where I put gold trade is like not good or whatever like that. And I got a notification saying that when I was on the bus. So I'm like, oh fuck. So more than likely, I'm gonna just only see that I fucking hit my stop loss. I'm gonna just check it out. I know I had to hit my stop loss because I received that notification. Get ready to bring up my laptop and look at this shit for ourselves. We're connected. You see, there's the gold sale is dead. So let's see how much we lost on this trade. It should be $100. Our balance is currently at 1079. We took this L, $99.99. We took the loss on our gold trade. I put 0.33 lot, which is $3.33 a pip. But I'm just gonna keep watching this throughout the day. But today is Friday. Price may also still respect this area. It's probably getting ready to tap this fucking trend line to come down. So I don't know, man. If you guys can please leave in the comment section what you guys would do. Would you guys set an alarm so if it was to fall back down, you guys catch a move entry? Or would you actually just trade something else? Real quick, so the part of my trading strategy is this. During New York session, if I'm able to trade during New York session, I only scalp. If I'm able to see an intraday overnight trade at night, I get the intraday trade. Would you guys like just be done for the day, have possible another trade opportunity on gold, or would you guys just wait for New York session? I don't really know what I'm gonna do. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna set an alarm. I'm gonna set another alarm down here because in reality, this trade still looks good, like it's possible happening. Because at the end of the day, it's still respecting structure. This is a lower high point. But honestly, I wouldn't want this price to go in close above this trend line, and especially outside of this fucking. I don't really want to go outside this order block, to be honest. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set an alarm. All right, I'm gonna set my alarm to here. All right, and the price come down here, it'll set me an alarm, and I will possibly, it depends, be able to catch an entry down here and have my stop loss up here and have an opportunity of going for like a 1.5 risk to reward or 1.5 risk reward, pretty much, somewhat like that. But I don't really think, I don't know what's gonna happen. But later on, I'll be back. If I get an alarm with this, I'll just come check this shit out later on. I'll come check this shit out. We'll back on the charts later on, but for right now, I gotta take a shit. All right, we're gonna get ready to go back inside the apartment and see what's going on with this gold and see if we see it set up. It's 8 o'clock and it's officially New York session. We in this bid. Okay, so this is a gold trade that I had. Damn, it look like it's still valid as hell too, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, shit look like it's still valid. I'm tempted to take the intraday on this shit, to be honest, bro. I'm really tempted to take the intraday on it. Let me calculate this, because I want to calculate this because it can possibly, I love this structure. This structure is so beautiful. I'm going to risk $50 on it so I can be able to get a 1-on-1 or a 2-to-1, I'm sorry. But if it was to go my way, let me open up my MT4. We're going to look at several charts right now. First, we're going to look at gold. All right, because right now my balance is 379, I can risk 379.50. So I'll be at an even 3. I'm going to calculate this really quick too. This would be 37 pips. So what was 79 we were risking? Yeah, 79.50. All right, we're gonna be risking $79.50. Okay, we're gonna divide that by the size of my stop loss. My stop loss would be 37 pips. So divided by 37. My lot size would be $2.14. I'm around at $2.15. So with gold, 0.21. And I have that set. I will only scalp everything else. I don't fucking intraday trade anything else during New York session. So EU looks stupid. I ain't fuck with the EU. The gold look valid because we have the supply. This is my last trade for this week. This is Friday. All right. So I went back for another gold trade. So originally, right, I placed the gold trade and had my stop loss above these highs. It stumped me out. Mind you, this is a 30-minute supply zone. So I realized that price remained in a 30-minute supply zone, right? So if I go to an hour, I see this red candle and I see that blue candle. This red candle and this blue candle. I told myself if price breaks under this blue candle, I'm anticipating that price will continue to fall. Because at the end of the day, look at the market structure. The market structure is so beautiful. Price is rejecting off this area. Price went back up and kind of almost reject off this area again. And we got a strong level of support and resistance right here. Strong level of support and resistance. If I zoom out, you can see it again. You see that price reacted off of it over here. This basically is a strong level of support resistance. Also, price have some imbalance down here that has potential to come and fill. Once my trade go down actually it's probably like a 1-to-1, I may move it at break even, or I may just let it do what it do, because honestly I just can't see that price come back up here. Right now this trade is currently floating at, we're floating $38. My stop loss is $76.86. And the reason it's $76.86 is because of this balance that I have right now. I just want to make sure I leave this weekend with at least 3% profit. And my take profit is down here. My take profit is 165. My risk reward is a little bit above like a 1 to 1.5. So yeah, we're gonna just let this trade run out, and we're gonna check back in later. I did take a L, a $40, not a $40, $100 L, which is 1%. A little bit less of my complete balance, but I just end up taking this high probability trade, and we're just gonna see what's gonna happen with this trade throughout the day. So I'm gonna see you guys back later on. All right, so I just went to grab me something to, some cereal and milk. Got this trade running still. This gold trade still running. I thought it would do a lot better than this by now. I'm only up $22. I'm not gonna fuck with the position. This area is fucking high. Man, jeez. Went to grab me some cereal and milk. Don't judge me now. Don't judge me. If you guys don't know about this Nesquik and Fruity Pebbles, y'all probably go ahead and check that shit out. But I'm gonna let this trade keep doing what it's doing. Win or loss, it is what it is. But I'm gonna just let it do what it do. Right now it's back at break even. Well, a little bit, $10 in profit. Practically break even, but just by seeing how big this candle is, it's not really looking good for me at all. I was just looking at NAS 100. I marked up NAS 100 because I seen a potential 5-minute supply that I would have actually caught, but unfortunately, I don't want to go outside my trading plan. I'd have caught this 1-to-1 risk to reward. That was actually pretty dope right here. This is the only supply 5-minute that I seen. I did look at some other things, but that's the only one I had seen that looked really nice. I probably would have took that trade, to be honest, if I wouldn't took this gold trade. Yeah, but if I wouldn't have took this gold trade, I definitely would have took that NAS 100. No doubt. It is currently 8:30 in the morning. Yeah, but I'm just gonna let this continue to roll out. It's either gonna hit my stop loss or might get lucky. Because if you really look at this price right here, it has like this, price is in this, basically this resistance zone. It's like a resistance zone. That price is it's not closed above. We come back Monday, we come back strong Monday. All right, so obviously the gold trade did not go my way. It literally kissed my stop loss. And then you can probably see over here, it's starting to come back down, which is crazy. I hate shit like that. I hate when this type of stuff happens. It stumps me out, then go my way. It did it here because I have my stop loss here. It did it once here. And I enter again and I have my stop loss right where it's at, and it stumped me out again, and now it's coming my way. I hate when that happens. All right, so my gold trade hit my stop loss. I am done. I hope you guys see the transparency of my content, the struggles, the good shit, the bad shit, or whatnot, man. Just, if you can please give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you have not, because I'm gonna have a whole nother video getting ready to drop next week. This week is done. Also, I wanna let you guys know something happened within this challenge. I'm kind of wet because it's raining outside too. But something happened that's inside of this. Something happened inside this challenge, but I'm gonna talk about that in the next video. Until then, you probably want to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, you know about when I do drop this new video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, man. Until then, you know what it is. Peace.